Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing good, and today we have to learn about MySQL commands, and it is very much important. And let's see that is how do we can use the MySQL or MySQL command here. The first thing first, that is I would like to tell you that is I would like to upload the videos how do you install the MySQL, and they're having two ways: Windows installations as well as also Mac installations. The two installations are almost same way, but the thing is that is in Windows you can get in two ways, that is a workbench, MySQL workbench, as well as MySQL command line. You can get the options. If you're concerned about that is a Mac workbench, you can get options, but the thing is that directly you cannot get that is a command line options. So first thing first, if you are using Mac, then you have to type on your terminal that is a call /user/local/mysql/bin/mysql space -u space root-p. Just I copy this one and paste it on terminal. Let me show you the terminal here. This is a MySQL terminal, that is called a MacBook terminal, and I paste it that whatever I typed. Okay, so this is a way, and whenever you press enter, automatically you can see that it is asking there is a please enter some password. I like to enter the password here, and whenever I install MySQL, at the time I given the password, the same password I will provide here and press enter. And immediately you can see that we got that is a terminal, that is a MySQL prompt. We can see here there is a MySQL and Angular bracket we can able to see on our screen, right? So this is the way we have to create that is a MySQL command prompt. But whenever you like to use that is called Windows operating system, directly you can get that options MySQL command prompt. So it is very easy to install and practice in Windows operating system. And if you're using Mac operating system, there is also no problem, big deal. You can remember this is the command. So that is if you'll see that is a MySQL, if you're concerned about the main MySQL command, that is a SQL, we have to learn about the SQL command. There is a MySQL. If we'll go to the if we learn about that is a MySQL, the first thing that is we like to learn that is a SQL. There is a called structure query language, and under structure query language there are four types mainly: DDL, DML, then called DCL, and DQL, right? That is a mainly they have that is a four types: DDL, DML, DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DML subcategory. Some books mention that is called DQL. Mainly they are having four types: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. And some books you can find it out that is a DQL also they can subcategorized. So it is very easy. So DDL example is a create, that is we will practice. After that we will practice alter, then we have to practice drop, right? That is the main, that is a command. Rename also there under DDL, the data definition language. Under DML we have that is insert into, then we have update statement, we have delete statement. And under DQL we have that is a call select statement, and under DCL we have that is a call grant and revoke statement, and under TCL we have there is a commit, rollback, and save point statement, right? So those are commands that is we need to practice or learn, that is under SQL. So first thing first, that is a DDL, right? So we have to learn about DDL. So what is DDL? Data definition language. So whenever you want to create a table, directly you cannot create a table. You need that is a database. So first thing first, whenever we want to create a table in MySQL, we need to create first one database. So how to create database, right? So here we go, that we can, very simple syntax, create database, database name. So we can create, that is a create database, database name we created. And obviously we have to use, that is a semicolon here, right? It is very easy. It is very easy to, you know, that we can just, I just little bit reduce the text. Yeah, I think that is, you can now see it a little bit increase here. 36 is all right. All right. So create database, database name, we can easily create to create new database, right? So very simple, but how do you know that database you created or not? So they're having one command is called, that is a show databases. Show databases. So this is the command. With the help of this command, we get to know about, that is a whatever database I created under my MySQL, right? So next, how to remove database. Very simple concept. We can write it down. That is a drop database, and obviously you can provide, that is a database name semicolon. With the help of database name semicolon, with the help of that statement, we can remove, that is a database from our MySQL, right? So first of all, that is, we have to practice these three commands, and then we will come to other commands, that is how to create table, right? So here we go. We just off this screen, and this is my MySQL prompt. Already I told you. So first thing first, that is a, right now we are under MySQL prompt. If you want to see, there is a how many databases created already, you can write it down show databases, and whenever you are giving semicolon, I believe that is, you can able to see it, and you can see there is a by default some databases created under MySQL. So right now we have to just create new database, create database name. Suppose I'm giving database name, I'm giving the database name is DB1. For any name you can provide, I can give the DB1, and obviously I can provide semicolon, and whenever I press enter, it executed, and we got, that is a query okay, one row affected. That means my database created under MySQL, right? In my local database, because I installed this system, MySQL. So right now I want to use the same command again, show databases, and whenever you press semicolon, your MySQL statement will execute, and here you can see that is a DB1 created. Previously, before creation before that is a, whenever I didn't create the DB1, we couldn't able to see it under statement show databases, but right now we can able to see the database created with name DB1. If you want to remove the database from MySQL, very simple, drop database name. So which database I want to remove? DB1. I just use the semicolon, press enter. You can see there is a query okay, 0 rows affected. And again, if you want to check, that is a show databases semicolon executes. Here we go. That is automatically vanished from our DB1 database under my MySQL, right? So this is a very simple way we can see, or we can check how to create database, how to see the database existing database name, as well as how to remove database from my MySQL. I hope you enjoyed the sessions. Thank you so much. Please like and hit the like button, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye.